Hi, this is Darla DeMauro from HeartWork Organizing, inviting you to register now for the brand new photo organizing office hours that I'm hosting every Tuesday this May. And here's the deal. We are all busy. You're busy. I'm busy. No one quite seems to have enough time to work on our photo projects. So I've decided to carve out this 1 hour once a week to meet with you and to help you make headway on your photo organizing that you'd like to do yourself. The sessions are free during May. It's an introductory session, so if you'd like to get in on this, please do this in May. No matter how you've worked with us before, whether you've worked with my team on your photo organizing projects, or maybe you follow me on social media, you've read one of my books, or somehow you've interacted with us, we'd love to invite you to come to this session. It is a hands-on session, so you can think of it more like co-working if you're familiar with that term. We're all going to be working on our individual projects, and we're all going to be working together but separately. And the nice thing is that I or my team will be on the session so that if you do get stuck or have a quick question that we can help you with, we'll be happy to do that in a live format. These sessions will not be recorded, but they are free just through this May. And the whole point is to get stuff done. So come with your project, whether you're working on a photo book or would just like to learn a little bit more about how your photo program works, or and maybe you want to do some digging in that photo program. Maybe you have a graduation or a significant family event coming up that you'd like to work on a photo project for. Maybe you'd like to do some editing or scrapbooking or any other project that you have in mind. You can bring that project with you. You can sit and work on physically sorting physical photos if you'd like, or you can work at your computer. You can work on your sofa or on your desk. It's really up to you, but the point is to carve out that time and join me. And in order to do that, you need to register now. So the link is on the web page. Please go ahead and register for the photo organizing office hours working sessions, and I'll see you there.